say? Did you just see Sam? He just went right up under. No, he just went under him.
What's going on?
You don't have your referee jersey on, Baccio.
Well, what happened? Is Baccio telling you, Heidi? Is he fussing at you? Hmm?
Intimidation at its best.
Hmm?
She gets up in his face.
What's going on? Are you feeling sad? What is it? You staying that out, couldn't you?
What you doing, Mac?
Sam will tear it up so nobody can
No, don't do that. Mac-a-doodle-doo.
Don't chew it up, Bubba. Hey, Saint Mac. Come here just a minute. Come, Mac. Mac, come here. Come see me.
Mac. No. Ah. Good boy.
That's not good for your tongue, Tolly.